If you've ever dreamed of creating your own 2D games, you've likely come across GameMaker. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this game engine offers and see if it's the right fit for you. GameMaker is designed for aspiring game developers looking to create 2D games without getting bogged down by complex coding. At its core, it provides a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop features, making it accessible for beginners. You can also dive into its scripting language, GML, if you're looking to customize your game further. What stands out immediately is the extensive library of resources and tutorials. This can be a huge help for newcomers trying to navigate the world of game development. However, while the interface is intuitive, some advanced users might find it limiting as they try to push the boundaries of their creativity. One area that feels a bit unclear is the depth of the community support. While there are forums and tutorials, the responsiveness can vary, which might leave you feeling stuck if you hit a snag. Overall, it's a solid choice for those starting out, but it may not fully satisfy more experienced developers. So what are the pros and cons of GameMaker? On the plus side, its ease of use is a major strength. Beginners can jump right in and start creating without a steep learning curve. The drag and drop functionality is particularly appealing for those who want to focus on design rather than coding. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced users might find the engine a bit restrictive, especially when it comes to more complex game mechanics. There's also the concern of pricing. While there's a free version, unlocking all features can get pricey. And if you're looking for a vibrant community, you might find it lacking in real-time support. In summary, GameMaker suits hobbyists and newcomers, but may not be the best fit for seasoned developers looking for advanced capabilities. In conclusion, GameMaker is a fantastic starting point for anyone interested in 2D game development. If you're just getting your feet wet, it's definitely worth trying out. However, if you're an experienced developer seeking more robust features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it has its strengths, but it's not without limitations.